And hello there, 30 Minutes fans. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is something for the 30 Minutes Fantasy. Released after the Liber Priest and Liber Bishop, we have here the Rosan Priest. So, yes, right now, we have officially bought the Rosan counterpart of the Liber Priest slash Liber Bishop. So, yes, as you can see in the box art, the Rosan Priest is there. We see the Rosan flag here, and it's a fire elemental because of the red crystal. Off to the side, probably the same silhouette as the knight. And here you have it. Yep, the job change, and then of course you have another job change wherein it can become the Rosan Bishop. All right. Yeah. So Rosan Priests. The other side, some information about the 30 Minutes Fantasy. Now, opening up the box, what we can see here is one runner, one bag with multiple runners. Some of these are familiar because some are used from the Liber Priests or from the previous silhouettes. Yep. So yeah, this is the bag wherein it was from the previous silhouettes. Right. And of course, we have here the instruction manual, wherein, as you can see, it is the Rosan Priest, and then later on, for a job change, you can make it into the Rosan Bishop, or since it is using the silhouette 1, same as the Knight, you can, use armor cross it with the Holy Knight or something. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. So first off, this is the A sprue again, similar sprue to the first Liber and Rosan silhouette, which was used for the knights and then also used for the priests, and I think it will be also used for the archer. So yeah, same sprue, same A sprue, just different color. We also have the same B sprue here, but different colors. The same C sprue, yep, but different colors again, and the same D1 sprue, and also the same D2 sprue that is used for the Silhouette 1. It also has the same E1 sprue as the Silhouette 1, as well as the same E2 sprue for the Silhouette 1. I'm saying Silhouette 1 because they released a Silhouette 2, which is for the fighter. Now, this is for the priest armor. We have the G here, which is multicolored. We have some clear red, some dark gray, some dark purple, purple, or I don't know what you can call this color, darker shade or what. Yeah. We also have an H through here, which is for the priest again, and some more parts for the priest armor. And of course, before I forget it, we also have the same F sprues from the Silhouette 1. And yeah, again, as I have mentioned, this is a fire elemental. We have the fire element core here. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the 30 minutes fantasy Rosan Priest, which is a class 1 job change from the Silhouette 1. And of course, you can buy a separate kit, which is the upgrade for this, the Rosan Bishop. Unlike the Liber Priest, wherein it also came in a bundle called a Liber Bishop. So, anyways, this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, share the videos, hitting the subscribe button, and until next time, see you and thank you.